Blessed and happy Tuesday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is April 28, 2026. In today's Gospel from the account of the Gospel of John, chapter 10, verses 22 to 30, we encounter Jesus walking in the temple during the Feast of Dedication, surrounded by questions, surrounded by doubts, and demands for clarity. Yet, his response reveals that faith is not merely about hearing words, but it's all about recognizing a voice. My sheep hear my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. Here, Jesus, the Good Shepherd, invites us into a relationship marked not by fear, but by trust, not by confusion, but by communion. In our world filled with competing voices that distract and divide, Jesus Christ calls us to a deeper listening, one that requires silence, humility, and of course, openness of heart. To belong to Him is to be known personally and loved eternally. It is to walk with the assurance that no power, no failure, no suffering can ever snatch us from His hand. Today's Gospel reading challenges us. Are we truly listening or are we merely hearing? Are we following His path or creating our own path? The promise is clear and deeply consoling. Those who remain in His voice are held securely in the Father's love. Let us then choose to listen more attentively, follow more faithfully, and trust more completely, for in His voice we find not only direction, but life that can never be taken away. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.